Hey, this is a photo today. The guy's up here on our palm tree, and it's coming down. Just wanting y'all to know, look at all the cars that are out here. Spectators, taters in general. Our yard is torn to shreds. There's the yard people. There's all the mountains of stuff. Look at all that. And the man's climbing down. Look.
Remember, I want it in the middle of that grass. Let's go with it. Get a hold of it. It's going.
Uh-oh, get a hold of it. It's going. And then even down here, there's trucks all over the place.
I'm ready.
It's a spectacle. Uh-oh, he's saying he's ready.
Hold pressure on it. Hold pressure on it. I can't do it all.
Oh my God, it came off. There's a cute guy down there.
That's why I say keep the ladder. Wasn't even touch the ladder.
There it is down there. It's dead. Oh my God.